Welcome to our in-depth exploration of Earth's age. In this captivating YouTube video, we will embark on a scientific journey to uncover the mysteries surrounding the ancient history of our beloved planet. Join us as we delve into a vast timeline of geological and astronomical events, revealing the fascinating story of Earth's formation and evolution. 1. Historical perspectives. To understand Earth's age, we must delve into the historical context and early theories. In this segment, we'll cover 1. Ancient civilizations estimations. Explore how ancient cultures, including the Babylonians, Greeks, and Chinese, attempted to estimate Earth's age based on religious texts, myths, and philosophical interpretations. 2. Contributions of James Hutton. Learn about the profound impact of James Hutton's work in the 18th century, which laid the foundation for modern geology and the concept of deep time. 2. Radiometric dating techniques. Radiometric dating techniques have revolutionized our understanding of Earth's age. In this segment, we'll delve into the intricacies of 1. Radioactive decay. Gain a deep understanding of the fundamental principles of radioactive decay, including the concept of half-life and the decay of unstable isotopes found in rocks and minerals. 2. Radiometric dating methods. Explore various radiometric dating methods, such as uranium-lead, potassium-argon, and rubidium-strontium dating, and discover how scientists utilize these techniques to determine the ages of rocks and geological formations. 3. Isotope systems and their applications. Explore different isotopic systems used in dating, such as carbon-14 dating for organic materials and other isotopes for dating specific minerals or geological events. 3. Tracing Earth's origins. The study of meteorites, moon rocks, and planetary formation provides valuable insights into Earth's age and origin. In this segment, we'll discuss 1. Meteorites. Explore the significance of meteorites as remnants of early solar system materials and how their composition and dating help us understand the age and formation of Earth. 2. Moon rocks and lunar missions. Learn about the samples brought back from the Apollo missions and their role in determining the age of the Moon, the solar system, and indirectly providing information about Earth's age. 3. Planet formation and age. Delve into the theories and evidence surrounding the formation of our solar system, including Earth, and how the study of other celestial bodies helps us estimate Earth's age. 4. Geological evidence and deep time. The Earth's geological record offers invaluable clues about its age and the evolution of life. In this segment, we'll explore 1. Stratigraphy and the geologic timescale. Understand the principles of stratigraphy and how it helps determine the relative ages of rock layers and the fossils they contain. 1. Explore the construction of the geologic timescale, which divides Earth's history into eons, eras, periods, and epochs. 2. Index fossils and biostratigraphy. Discover the significance of index fossils and how they allow us to correlate rock formations and establish relative ages across different locations around the world. 3. Geochronology and the age of Earth. Dive into the methods used in geochronology, which combine radiometric dating, fossil evidence, and stratigraphic correlation to estimate Earth's age. 5. Refinements and future research. Scientific knowledge is ever evolving, and ongoing research continues to refine our understanding of Earth's age and the processes that have shaped our planet. In this final segment, we'll discuss 1. Continued advancements. Explore the latest breakthroughs in dating techniques, technological advancements, and interdisciplinary research that contribute to refining our knowledge of Earth's age. 2. Open questions and future avenues. Delve into the unanswered questions and ongoing scientific debates surrounding Earth's age, highlighting the exciting possibilities for future research and discoveries. The exploration of Earth's age is an awe-inspiring journey that unveils the deep history of our planet. Through radiometric dating, geological analysis, astronomical observations, and interdisciplinary research, scientists have uncovered a remarkable timeline spanning billions of years. Understanding Earth's age allows us to appreciate the profound changes our planet has undergone and the incredible diversity of life that has evolved. Let us continue to explore, question, and marvel at the captivating story of Earth's ancient past.